Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be opening the one surprise, and I'm going to do Fizzy Wizzy Bubbsy Bob, and let's see what comes from the sky. Fizzy Wizzy Bubbsy Bob. Whoa, we got a chocolate yowie, and his name is Dicky. Let's open it up. Oh, that looks good. Let me share it with my sister. Look, it melted. And that's okay. Let me see. Let me see. It's good. Super good. Now it's time to open it up. Oh. First I gotta eat the chocolate off of it. Assistant, can you help me open it up? Oh, I wish you guys could smell it, but it smells so good. And chocolatey. I gotta save some for my other assistant. Off to the side. Have you got it, assistant? Oh, okay. So we got a little, what is this?
It's like a chimpanzee.
It's a chimpanzee sitting down, I think. Let's see, let's read it. Ooh. Oh. So we did get the chimpanzee. It's right here. Right here. Right there. And then we have other kinds of. Let's see what I got. There's a super crystal collectible. Mine is a yellow. Golden crystal. Cool. I'm gonna eat a little bit more.
Bobby. And show him this one, show him this one. The larger Don.
I think we got the Lagnanar. The Don.
Larger Dons.
Long the Don. Let me. Long the Don. Right there. So that one is a crystal. It's a super crystal.
Hey guys, it's me, Bommy's one of Bommy's assistants.
The other one's at school.
And so today, where's Bobby? Here, let me put this to the side. Bobby got this one right here. the Largadon. I know it's a little blurry. It's the same exact one. It even says Largadon. And the ones that you can get,
I'm gonna go get water juice, so you tell him.
the ones that you can get is a Spark, a Crud, a Gnosh, a Crusha, a Yogg, Oranga Belly Parrot, a Sludge, a Blue Winged Goose, a Yurt, a Yopter, a Use, Southern Ground Hornbill, Bactrian Camel, African Bush Elephant, Sun Bear, West Lowland Gorilla, Lion, Tasmanian Devil, Largadon, which we got, a Strange Horned Chameleon, Chinese Pangolin, Black Rhinoceros, Red Panda, Chimpanzee, Hippopotamus, and the last but not least, a Nimbut.
And here is the little animal we got. Super cute. I think I opened up one, but I think I didn't make a video. And I got a gorilla.
No, you made a video.
Oh yeah. Okay, bye guys.